All right, you guys, One Man, One Camera. Today is February something, date below. And we're going to take a walk through the Miracle Mile shop and casino entrance, whatever. Let's check it out. The last time I came here was, I believe, December 2018. I've been really busy and have not had a chance to come down here since then. But today, it's a nice day in Vegas. I thought I would just take a little bit of a walk and let's see what's going on. First up, we got the Rock Bar. Now check it out. This is the, I don't know if you can see or not, reflection. That's the mechanical bull. Here's the funny thing. Just the other day I was watching, well, I caught the last hour of Urban Cowboy, which was actually the first time I saw that flick. John Travolta, very interesting. All right, let's see what's going on. Now I try to get here early to avoid the crowds, but I can never do that. So hey, it's the weekend and that's the way things go. First up, ABC stores straight out of Hawaii. They're all over Maui. I'm sorry, all over Honolulu. Okay, let's see. You know, there's a lot of shopping in here. And the last time I came down here, someone made a comment. This guy is only mentioning food, not the shops. Sorry about that. Oh, this is pretty new, right? Now, this place is called Dope. Ah, Dope. Got it. Legit cookie dough. Never tried it, but I hope they do okay, you know? They have a foosball table right there. And so, oh, check it out. As seen on Shark Tank. Like the lady said, bite man. All right, let's keep rocking. Chipotle. Sorry guys, I always get confused on my gimbal. All right, so let's keep walking. For those of you who like the fish food, we got the lobster roll right here, off to the right. Off to the left, it's Fat Tuesday. The tea is almost burnt out, I guess. You guys gotta replace that thing. Lobster roll. Oh, I'm sorry, what's called a lobster me. Okay. Here's the funny thing. So a long time ago, during my Tokyo days, there was a place called Venus Fort or Fort Venus in Tokyo. And it had the same type of ceiling as here, where there was clouds and everything else, and you know, sometimes it would change. I thought it was interesting, so I was surprised when I saw it here. Don't know which one came first, so there you go. All right, let's keep rocking. Now, just to the right of us is one of my favorite restaurants, which has great prices. And the name of this place is Ocean One. Now they have, so you get 3 for $10 drinks, which is always nice. Sorry guys, I'm in gimbal trouble today. Sorry about that. And this little pond or lake or whatever gets rain sometimes falling from the ceiling. To the right is Panda Express, and I can smell that it's a lemon chicken or orange chicken from here. Sin City Brewing Company. They can have good prices, I believe. I think I drank at one of those guys before in different location. Starbucks at the Hilton Grand Vacation Club. You know, there is a lot of shopping in here for those who want to escape the heat or just want to, you know, do a little window shopping or buy things for your family, friends. More shoes, more shoes, more sportswear, I guess, more sportswear. More sportswear. Now this area has a few restaurants. Let's go check them out. To the right is the La Salsa Cantina. And I think they have a very, cheap breakfast menu. That's what I believe. To the left is Blondie's Sports Bar. I think it's marketed as sports bar. A lot of TVs, sports on the screen. And then there is the theater. And they have Zombie Burlesque, a variety show, Hitsville, Las Vegas Live Comedy Club. So they've been going on strong. There's an Elvis All Shook Up, a Tribute to the King, nightly from 8 p.m. I think. I have my glasses on. Nightly from 6 p.m. And they stuck this bar right here. This bar, along with some gelato. Well, it's not a bar, sorry. It's only a gelato shop. Next to Blondie's, an Italian lovely place right here. This is Flights. This is a brand new, well, fairly new place. They also have a 3 for like $10 or so cocktail thing you can buy. And I've been here before. The drinks, they're okay. They seem kind of small to me, but 3 for $10, what are you gonna do, right? See, here we go, happy hour, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Whoa, 10 a.m., 10 p.m. to midnight. And, but I never know if they're using top shelf liquor or just generic or not the best quality, but it was okay. I went there, it was okay, right? Haven't tried the food there, but I presume, I hope it's okay, yeah? And for those of you who wish to doff the fedora, there is Hatitude. I'm on a sale right now, so hey. I only wear hats really when I'm out riding around in the hot sunshine, but usually no. Okay. Flights. And here's another ABC store. Hey. Like I said, they're all over Honolulu. You can barely even spit without hitting one of those guys, so give them credit. Lids, more of your hat stuff. I actually get one made called, they customize? You know what, you guys? I might get a hat made and call it a OneManOneCamera, right? What do you think? Maybe I will, if the price is right. Oh, I got here pretty quick. I think last video was like 20 minutes long. I guess I'm feeling good and peppy today. The Walking Company. I always think they'd be good. Oh, New Balance. The first time I started running, I ran in high school, whatever, I had New Balance shoes. A little tidbit from the past, the OneManOneCamera, right? Hey. Bad, bougie, bad and bougie. To the right is Victoria's Secret for all those lovely unmentionables. Oh, I see Blondie who just passed up. See Blondie's Sports Bar, deal menu, Monday to Friday. $6 for I guess a beer and it's probably a beer and 2 tacos or a beer and a small pizza. Here's something funny. So in my youth, I would hang out near UC Berkeley, and there was a pizza place called Blondie's, and it was pretty good, in my opinion. It was cheap, hot, and delicious. Love that place. Oh, over here is Key, Australia, doing sunglasses. And then there's the Coffee Bean, Quicksilver. Oh, a popcorn shop. Huh. Huh. Now the casino is down there, and I tend to avoid filming casinos. I still want to give the, you know, I have before, but I don't know. I hate to go, oh, no filming here, take a walk, you know, so hey, you know what I mean? Oh, lady. Oh, what's the sign? Remember that? Wait, every kiss begins with K. That's a good little advert, you know?
I got one.
The Toll House Cookie Place, Agora. Tommy Bahamas. Now that place is pricey. You know? Popular and pricey. Actually, I like these Hawaiian shirts though. You know? I quite like them. Because chubby guys wear Hawaiian shirts, right? Haha! Here is the Tipsy Robot. Oh, they have specials today. Specials starting at $6. Bloody Mary. Oh, at the Human Bar. So the Human Bar is right there. And the Aruba Bar is over here. That's why I go to stage door when I feel like, oh, this place is the, this is the dry bar. You know, it's a nice little bar, okay? Next door to it is some women's hair stuff, whatever. But here's the thing, this place, I've been here once, and I believe they take no cash, only your ATM or credit card, and that's it. I was surprised by that, because it was the first place I'd ever been to. It said no cash. Interesting, yeah? All right, hey. That was our short and sweet walk through Miracle Mile shops here in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. And then there's always Cabo Wabo. Cabo Wabo. It's a lovely day in Vegas. It's not crazy hot. It is sunshine. We had rain yesterday. But first, let's take a look and see at Gordon Ramsay's Burger, B-U-R-G-R, and see what's happening. Oh, shoot. You got bags. Hey, come on in. There you go. Cheers. So, it's a crowded day in Burger. Well, as far as I go. So here is Gordon Ramsay's Burger. I'm getting close. Can we see anything through here? It's probably reflections, but they have a bar area and counters. I'm sorry, bar, table, and booths. All right. See? All right, you guys, like I always say, if you see me outside, say hello, and I will say hello back. Take care. Wherever you are. And check this out, hold on. These crappy ass escalators are always broken here in Vegas. You know, it is ridiculous. All right? Ridiculous. They are broken all of the time. And I guess the maintenance schedule, I don't know what it is, but the maintenance schedule, this seems to be, you know, just maintained on a regular basis of being conked out whenever I come down here, which seems like every time. All right, Jay, anyway, okay, wait, see me outside, say hello, I'll say hello back. Take care. Wherever you are, have a great day. And remember, there's always more with all you can be. Oh, sorry, Derek. Have a good day.